Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching and then what time you're watching this video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified each time I drop a video like this. So today, I just want to be doing a quick video on how you can make withdrawal from your QBC platform to your Bybit wallet. That's withdrawing USDT. And you can choose to use either the TRC20 network or the ERC20 network. So first of all, this is what your homepage of the QBC platform looks like. This is the homepage of your QBC account. So you tap on your username to go to your profile. Now this is how your profile looks like. First, you need to bind your Bybit USDT wallet address to the QBC platform. So this is what you need to do. You click on wallet. After clicking on wallet, you see this little plus sign up. You tap on it. It takes you to where you're going to add your account. It could be your Naira account, which is your bank account, or your TRC20 wallet address, or your ERC20 wallet address. So, but for the purpose of this video, I'll be using the TRC20. So I'll tap on the first one, which is the TRC20. Then it takes you to the next page where you paste your wallet address from Bybit, and then you also enter your verification code to submit. Now to get this wallet address from Bybit, let's head over to Bybit. So you open your Bybit. This is how the Bybit homepage looks like. So let's wait for it to load. I'm going to use my fingerprints to open. So this is how the Bybit uh, account looks like. So this is how your Bybit homepage looks like. And for you to get your USDT TRC20, remember the network we clicked on the Qubit platform was TRC20. So to get your deposit address, you first of all look at the bottom right, the last icon, bottom right, you can see the deposit, or you click on this yellow deposit you are seeing here close to this balance. So I click on deposit. I select deposit crypto because it's a cryptocurrency I want to deposit from the Qubit platform down to my Bybit wallet. So here you can enter the search button. You search USDT. You can search here USDT and then you select USDT, which is Theta, and then it gives you options of the network for you to select. If you select any different network from apart from the TRC20 you're supposed to select, which was one you chose from the QBC platform, your money is going to be missing. Like you won't even know where your money has gone to. So the second one, which is TRC20, is one I'm going to click. So pay attention to the wallet address. You can see it. This is the wallet address. This TGPAE and then it ends with TNO. So I click on copy address. Then you go back to your QBC platform. You go back to your QBC platform. This is the QBC platform. And then I paste the address here. Click on this code. I send the code to my mail. Click on send. They send the code to your mail. And then you go to your email, get the code, come back, type it, and then you submit. When you do that, you would have binded your wallet address. So you look at it, the first one, you would have binded your wallet address to your QBC platform. Now it's time to make withdraw. So you click on the withdraw button. You can see it under the balance, the one in the middle. I'll tap on it, withdraw. I select TRC20. Enter the whole balance. This is the whole amount I want to withdraw. I select the wallet address here. You can see it. My password address. I'll enter my password address, which is this. Then I click on send to send verification to my email. And I'll go back to my email to get the verification. So immediately you enter the verification code, you click on submit and then you wait. You can see withdrawal successfully made and then it's pending verification. Withdrawal successfully made and then it's pending verification. So after a few minutes, it's going to get deposited to my own Bybit wallet address. So when I go back to this home page from Bybit, I'm going to see the balance. So look at this balance now, 26. So when that other money I just withdraw arrive now, I'm going to see it here. yeah, in the balance, and then we can proceed in the next video, which will be on how to uh, convert the USDT back to Naira using P2P transaction. So stay tuned. In order not to miss that video, please kindly hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell button also, so you get notified when I drop next video. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.